What are you doing here today?
Skydiving. I'm about to go.
That's crazy. Why would you do that?
Because we do really dumb stuff together.
Looks like. Whose crazy idea was it?
Breeze. She texted me randomly and just asked if we would go skydiving and then gave me a date, so we're
So
going.
it's all her fault now, is it?
It is, yeah.
You nervous?
Not really, no.
Who's more nervous?
Probably me. Probably me.
Yeah. Who's more excited?
Probably me.
Do you have any last words, just in case?
I up my life insurance, so that's good, but it's all going to Simba. That's it.
That's
That's all I
it?
got.
You
Yeah.
ready?
I guess so.
Keep on smiling and I'll see you later.
All right.
Almost 7,000 feet. How are you holding up? Great. Yeah? You actually look a lot happier than you looked on the ground.
Yeah, I feel that.
So you still want to do this, right?
Oh, that's fun.
Alex, how are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I'm scurvy.
You what?
I'm scurvy.
Scared? Yeah. Nervous? You still want to do this? Well, you get no choice right now, so good luck to you. And I'll see you guys outside. You ready? Hey Sarah, how was that?
It was so much fun.
Why don't you take those glasses off and tell me all about it? What was the best bit?
The free fall was the best part.
Yeah, would you do this again?
Oh, yeah.
Well then, thanks for jumping with Skydiving Minneapolis. I think the guys just saved your life. Spur! Thank you guys.